You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including from German and brand names, stay tuned. In German, and then we'll get how it's pronounced in English. It's usually pronounced as Boehm, Boehm, Boehm. In English, therefore, it's either pronounced similarly as Boehm, Boehm, or Boehm. How to pronounce it? Boehm or Boehm. In American English, it can also be pronounced as Baum. How do you pronounce it yourself, and where are you from? Let us know in the comments so we can learn your pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.